Hello everyone, thanks for watching this video. This video we're going to talk about QuickBooks Online update we just did yesterday, and we'll go through one by one all the improvements they did for this release. So let's get started. Before we get started here, we'll get this call a lot, so we have to go through this. How to sign up for new QuickBooks Online. So they looked at it, they think it's worth logging in and checking it out. So how to log in? So you can do that uh, from QuickBooks.intuit.com, or you can just do it directly from our website. Our website is newqbo.com. Newqbo.com is right here, and then under home page we have a sign ups link in here, or you can just go to sign up QuickBooks here. Either way we'll get to QuickBooks Online website. This is our affiliated link, so just click this one. And the thing to watch is every once in a while they have a special. In this case there's a small special banner in here. If they don't have any special banner, you won't see it here, and you're stuck with these regular prices. In this case they have the regular, they have special sale. It ends Friday, that's today. So if you just click it here, you will see different price. For example, essentials $19.99, and if you click it here, you will see a discounted price for 6 months. As you can see here, it's $13.99, and that's a pretty good deal. So just click it here, buy now, and it will take you to what to do next. Okay, and just fill out this, and next screen you just have to do one step by one step at a time. And another question we get is, well, I already have one company. We already have one new company subscription, and it's going well, but we want to add another company. How to do another company? So if you want to use the same login address, all you have to do is right here. Already have an Intuit user ID. Just click it here, and then you can use the same user ID. Then you'll have additional company. For additional company, you have to pay a subscription as usual. So you have to pay subscription for the second company, and all you have, if you want to keep your user ID, just click it here, right here. Instead of filling out this, you don't need to fill out any of this. Just fill out here, and then it will take you to the right place there. All right. So that's about it on that one. So let's get started what we want to do. Okay. So this one I have signed in as this is my QuickBooks Online Plus plan. All right. Let's get started. The first thing I want to show you is custom form styles. Custom form style. Here's the gear icon here from the home page screen. Gear icon and custom form styles. So they released this a few months ago, and it looked pretty good. You can customize your template for sales forms like invoices, sales receipt, and estimate, but there was no way to delete it. As you can see here, I created so many styles here, and if you want to delete it, there's no way to delete it. Now they came up with a way to delete it. All you have to do is edit here and delete right here. You can just click this and it's gone. Let's delete this style, it's gone, and you can create a new one, and that works pretty good. All right, and the second one I want to go through is the bank feed transaction type. So for bank feeds, you go to transactions from your home page screen. This is your blue navigation bar and banking right here. And you want to create manage rules. Basically, if you have regular transactions, same type of transactions, and you don't want to assign account numbers or category, that kind of stuff, you just have to set up manage rules in here. Just go in here under file, upload, arrow down here, it says manage rules, and just create a manage rule in here. Now, for example, I already created one here, and I'll just edit this one. So now they have added this used to be always there, manage rules there, but they added this transaction type. So now if you have a transaction, transfer transaction, basically from your banking, checking to savings, you can just specify here. And in this case, I have moving the money from recording the transaction from checking to saving. Here's your checking account. It basically says your rules. set up from your checking to savings account, and all you have to do is select your transaction type, and then basically you select your account from this drop down list here. This is a chart of account. Let's select this one, and then you have a managed, you have established a rule in here, and this rule will work as if you're writing a check here. In this case, for example, in here, if you write a check, it will show as transaction type check. If you write a bill, it will show as a payment check bill or something like that. In here, expense type, so it'll do the same thing, and transfer is right here, so it will show as a transaction transfer type. So that works pretty good when you run a transaction detail report. It will show all the transaction type. Okay, and now the next one is the chart of accounts. Let's go to chart of accounts here. Let's set up in here first. Okay, so right here, so they added this enable account numbers, use account numbers. So once you do this, you'll be able to use account numbers right here like this. So set up this one, setting up the chart of accounts, like on account number, assign account numbers in here, and just save and done. Now if you go back to chart of accounts, let's say from here, go navigation bar, transactions, and chart of accounts. As you can see here, you have a chart of accounts, numbers in here, and your numbers in here too. And at this point, you can, if you don't have a number assigned, you can just do the batch assignment of numbers in here. All you have to do is go in here, like here. I don't have anything in here. Let's say this one, I want to call it 14,001, like this. And so you have assigned account number. So just save it. So that's how it works. And so if you want to sort just by account numbers, you know, it's easy to remember account numbers. So this is kind of traditional way. So now here, this you can sort it by account number from here. And here's your register in here. And if you want to see the report, you can just run a report from here. So right here. So this will tell you quick report in here. You can do it from here, and you can customize a little bit from there too. All right, and if you want to hide your numbers, then you can do uncheck this one here. You know, just the name in here. And if you don't want to see a account number, then you have to go back to your gear and uncheck that box. Okay, so let's see what's next in here. Okay, so another thing is the customer statement here. In the past, it was just you have to do it from here, statements like that right here. But now if you just go to individual customer page right here like this, and now you can filter from here the statement, all transactions. If you just want statement, so right here just select statement type and then apply it. So right here, so it'll tell you sign number and everything. You can just review it from here like this, and you can print or send directly from your from the customer page. So you don't need to go back to all this. Just click it here, and then select statement from here. So that's pretty good. Like this. Okay, and the next one is the product and services. It's the sub item type. So for some reason my products and services stopped working yesterday, so I have to use let's see essentials, another one right here. Okay, so this is the essential one, essentials plan. So right now I have a product sub item in here. If you just click it here, you will see the sub item like this. But if you just want a flat, then you just click any of other columns like this. Now it's all flat in here. Name, you'll see sub item, and description also flat. Account also flat. Okay, and another one is also has to do with the banking rules. So this one, normally you'll fill out like two separate rows. Let's say you want to, just an example here, you have a company policy and anything over $500 you want to capitalize it. Anything under, let's say $500, like a $499.99, you just want to, let's say, expense it to a certain account, like let's say office supply. The other ones, furnitures, whatever. And then you just set up two, one under under 500, the other one over 500, and then you can move it in here. Just move up and down like this, and now we'll sort it, and then you will post the way you want it. Okay, and let's see what's the next one here. Okay, the other one is the interesting one. It has to do with the management reports. So if you haven't seen management reports, you should check it out. It's very good. It's just like you would get reports from your accountants. In this case, you don't have to pay any to accountants. They just get it from here. Reports and management reports in here. And this just came out about 2 months ago or something. So this is pretty good. You should check it out. And now what you can do here is you can add all the built-in reports, but you were not able to add any customized reports. So in here, there's your reports in here. You come here, and now let's say you selected all these items, the reports, and you were able to add any from here. Select a report. You were able to add any built-in reports. Let's say this one, and now you want to add your customized reports. The customized report right here, all these customized report. So they added this field, so now you can even add customized. So this is very important because you run reports and you want to customize it, and so that's the report your management wants to see. All the customized report. Now you can just add it in here, and it works pretty good. So just save it. So next time you'll see all these reports, this report added to your regular built-in selector reports in here. You can sort it the way you want it. Let's save it. Save and close. There we go. So I already have 1, 2, and 3 here. You can name any way you want it. So that's the part on the customized report, management report, customized management report. Okay, the other one is the expense sorting in here. From here, transaction, expenses. This one not a big deal, but let's say you want to just select Payee. one pay and you want to print that report in here, let's say A1 printer, let's select one report here, let's say right here filter, and you just want to select one payee here, let's say this guy here, right here, and you can just print it here. We'll just print this one now. So like this. So if you just want to print what you paid to your vendor, you have selection right here. You can just print it right here. Although they don't give you the total yet, there's no total in here, but you can print it from here. So right here, this one. Print it right here. Although it's in here, all these, you can just print it from here or download to Excel. Just print it from here. So let's say this is for A1 printer company, and you just want to print all the expenses paid to that vendor. You can just do it from here. Expenses, and so this gives you everything, expenses, and all you want to do is just basically filter and select a specific your vendor in here. So that's all they did this time, all the improvements. So hope you enjoyed this video, and we're doing this video for subscribers. So if you are a subscriber, if you want to be subscribed, just subscribe to it, and then you get to get notified to see this video. They will send you email saying this new video has been added. You want to watch it, so just check it out. And don't forget to subscribe our channel, and you can also go to our Twitter. Our Twitter address is @newqbo.com, @newqbo.com. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.